Hey there, car enthusiasts! Welcome back to Car Release TV, your go-to channel for the latest and greatest in the automotive world. Today, we're diving into the 2025 Mazda CX-5. A compact crossover that's not just a car but a lifestyle upgrade. Whether you're cruising through the city or hitting the open road, this vehicle is designed to make every drive unforgettable. Stick around because this is one update you don't want to miss. So, what's new for 2025? Let's break it down. First up, Mazda has introduced a new entry-level trim called the S, making it easier than ever to join the CX-5 family. On the other hand, the non-turbo premium trim has been removed, streamlining the lineup. But the real star of the show is the Carbon Edition, which now comes with wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and wireless phone charging. Talk about convenience. For those who want the ultimate in luxury and tech, the Premium Plus trim has been upgraded with a surround view camera system and parking sensors, adding both safety and ease to your driving experience. And let's not forget the updated front seats, now equipped with USB-C inputs to keep your devices charged and ready to go. Now, let's talk performance. The 2025 CX-5 offers a range of options to suit every driver. The standard 4-cylinder engine delivers 187 horsepower, perfect for zipping through city streets with agility and precision. But if you're looking for something with a little more punch, the Turbo Premium trim is the way to go. With a turbocharged engine producing 256 horsepower, this model strikes the perfect balance between power and smooth handling. Plus, the black gloss exterior accents and red interior stitching give it a sporty yet refined look that's hard to resist. As for pricing, the 2025 CX-5 starts at $29,990 for the base model and goes up to $42,020 for the top-tier trim. With 8 different trims to choose from, there's a CX-5 for every budget and lifestyle. So, what do you think? Is the 2025 Mazda CX-5 the compact crossover of your dreams? With its sleek design, cutting-edge features, and unbeatable driving experience, it's definitely a strong contender in its class.